this is Shine and welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to unbox one gift that my parents gave me. So guys, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my video. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So guys, this is the gift which my parents gave me. It's an Einstein box. It's a surprise gift. So let's open it with the help of scissors. And guys, please be careful with scissors every time. Let's open it. It makes a lot of noise. My father helped me for opening this. So let's seal this here also. So guys, let's open it. I'm really excited for this. Oh my god! Wow! Wow! It's a very beautiful gift. Guys, you can see. Let's open it. So guys, they make you feel happy. Thank you, Amazon. Thank you, my parents too. Let's remove this cardboard away. So guys, let's open it. Let's open it properly. Or here also. So guys, my gift is opening. It's very tight. So let's take this out. Oh my god! It's a science experiment set. What a lovely gift. Thank you, Mom and Dad, for this gift. And now let's open this seal package. Like this. Like this, guys. So let's open it, guys. So guys, it's an ultimate size kit. So guys, children from below 3 years cannot use this or play this. So guys, bye for now. See you in the next video. As you all can see, I got these things in science kit: a manual, instruction manual, it's stars and moon stickers, and a mat for doing on the experiment. So guys, these are the things which I have got. So guys, this is glistening flakes, this is glue, this is vinegar, this is glow powder, food grade, pink, blue color, food grade, red color, cornstarch, crystal powder, baking soda, and I have citric acid. Sorry, this is citric acid. And these are tubes, two sticks, two balloons with some balls, and over here is small ones, and a spoon. there's a fun so guys, this is the experiment set. So guys, these things you saw, it's very nice. So guys, I will make all the experiments in the next video. So bye for now, see you in the next video. Bye.